हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिफाइन एनालिटिक फंक्शन। सो ए फंक्शन एफ जेड is said to be analytic function on region R if it is defined and differentiable at each point of the domain R, then the function is said to be analytic. A function f z is said to be analytic on R if it is defined on the region R. Suppose this is the R. The function should define at each and every point of the region R, and it should be differentiable at each and every point of this region R. Fine. So let us see what is the fz. So z, we have z equal to x plus iy. Fine. Then fz, we have u f of xy plus I v of xy. So this is your given function fz u plus iv. So this function should define on the region R, and it should be differentiable at each and every point of the R. So we say fz is analytic function, and it is also called the regular function or holomorphic function. This is also called the regular function or holomorphic function. Now how to define the analyticity of the function at any particular point? So let me define here. A function fz is said to be analytic at the point z0 and the domain R if functions to define at z0 and there exists one small neighborhood of z0 such that function should differentiable at each and every point of this neighborhood, right? So a function fz is said to be analytic at the point z0 if there exists one small neighborhood of z0 in that function should differentiable at each and every point of the neighborhood. So we say the function fz is analytic at the point z0. Actually the analyticity is the domain wise property and differentiability is the point wise property. So this is the main difference between analyticity and differentiability. If you talk about the analyticity at the particular point, so function should differentiable not only at that particular point, it should be differentiable at each and every point of the some neighborhood of z0. Fine. Now the next question, what is the necessary condition for fz to be analytic? So fz is given, fz equal to u plus iv, and u and v are function of x and y. So the necessary condition for the analyticity of fz will be this: the partial derivative exists. Partial derivative we can write du by dx, du by del y, del b by del x, del b by del y. So all these four partial derivative exist and satisfy the CR equation. So what is the CR equation? That is your Cauchy-Riemann equation. So del u by del x equal to del b by del y, first equation, and del u by del y equal to minus dv by dx. So this is your second equation. Fine. So these are called the Cauchy-Riemann equation. The short form we say CR equations. Fine. So the necessary condition of analyticity, that U and V should satisfy the CR equation, right? So what we can say, analyticity imply CR equation. It is necessary condition, right? And not CR equation, not analyticity. If function does not satisfy the CR equation, then it cannot be analytic, because satisfying CR equation is necessary condition for analyticity. So the next question, what is the sufficient condition for a object to be analytic? So necessary condition we have seen, sufficient condition, first one, fz equal to u plus iv. Okay, so all the partial derivatives should exist and continuous on R. So the all the partial derivative del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del b by del y, all the four partial derivatives should exist and continuous on the region R. So continuous on the region R and satisfy CR equation, ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus bx. Fine. So there are two conditions. One is that partial derivative should be continuous, and second one, it should satisfy the CR equation. If these two conditions we have, so we can say function fz is analytic. Fine. So CR equation was necessary condition, and if you add one more property, that continuity of partial derivatives, so it will confirm the analyticity. That is a sufficient condition for analyticity. Fine. The question is, so that fz equal to z plus mod z is not analytic anywhere. So what we do, so we check the necessary condition for analyticity, that is your analytic, that is your CR equation. So here u plus ib equal to fz equal to z plus z bar. So fz we can write u plus ib, and z equal to, we can have here z x plus iy, and mod z equal to x square plus y square. Fine. So it will be x square plus y square plus I y x square plus y square. Fine. So u equal to x square plus y square, and v equal to y x square plus y square. So let us see the first partial derivative, del u by del x. So it will be x square plus y square plus x into 2x by 2x square plus y square. So 2 cancel, so we get x square plus y square plus x square by x square plus y square. So first del u by del x equal to, we can have 2x square plus y square by x square plus y square. Fine. Now del u by del y, so del u by del y equal to x we can have, and it will be 2y by 2 under root x square plus y square. Fine. So it will be your xy by x square plus y square. Fine. So you can find out v equal to y under root x square plus y square. So you can have del b by del x equal to 2 xy by under root x square plus y square, and del b by del y square 2 y square plus x square by under root x square plus y square. So this is your del b by del x, del u by del y. Let me write here itself del u by del x, what we just now we have find out, equal to 2 x square plus y square by under root x square plus y square, and del u by del y equal to xy by under root x square plus y square. So if you see what is CR equation, that is your del u by del x equal to del b by del y and del u by del y equal to minus del b by del x. So this is your del u by del x and del b by del y. So both are not equal, right? So not equal. Del u by del y, del u by del y, del u by del y equal to minus of del u by del x, that is not equal. So it does not satisfy the CR equation. So we can say this given fz does not CR equation, so function is not analytic. Not analytic. Fine. Okay, thank you for watching my video.